Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. So today we are actually going to be updating my booking site. We are taking it from what you just saw to this. I was getting bored of my old booking site and I wanted to jazz it up a little bit. So I will be using Canva for this tutorial, and I did set my dimensions to 3000 by 8000 pixels. So that's how you'll get this layout. And I went ahead and made the background black, and then I'm going to go ahead and start designing my header. I do actually have Canva Pro, and so that's how I'm able to use some of the elements that I am using in this video. And I recently purchased Canva Pro and I pay for it monthly, and honestly it's one of the greatest investments that I made for my business. So if you do not have Canva Pro, I highly suggest you to get it. One of my favorite features in Canva Pro is the background remover, because it saves a lot of time. I don't have to pretty much do anything, especially because most of the pictures that I have, it's easy for a background to be removed. So just by one click of a button, the background is removed and it just saves me a lot of time. And I actually did this logo right here that I'm about to put on my header. I made it using Canva. Y'all, I'm so obsessed with Canva. I really think I'm a whole graphic designer out here, okay? Now that I finished my header, I'm just going to go ahead and do the rest of the booking site. I'm going to basically lay it out first, and then I'll go in and insert any text that I want to put in it. I've been making just within my brand recently. I changed my logo. Obviously, I changed my booking site. I changed the way that I take my client photos. I changed my bridal inquiry form. I changed my bridal contract and the services that I provide for bridal. And I've literally been doing a lot for my brand recently, and I'm absolutely loving the fact that I'm taking the time out to do that. I say all of that to say that if you have a brand, or something that you're building on, working on, or something that you have already developed and you feel like you want to, everybody's like, oh, I'm rebranding, do that. When I say do it, like literally isolate yourself and do it. Here I'm just showing how you can adjust the spacing between the letters and the line spacing as well if you all didn't already know how to do that. Now that I am finishing up the booking site design, I'm going to download all pages and I'm going to go to image resizer to resize all of the images. I'm going to resize them to 1500 JPG. You have to do each image individually, and then after you complete that, you can head over to your Acuity site and you can go to customize appearance and then drag and drop or copy and paste each picture into the body where normally you would put your text. And so you want to do all images, and then you also want to change the background of your booking site to whatever color. I did black since the main color in my design was black, so it can all flow together. And then you can preview it before you submit it to see what it looks like. But mine was already completed, so this is my live website. And I hope you all enjoyed this video because I was so excited to share this with you all when I figured everything out. So as I always say, that is it, that is all, and we are out.